हारून अहमद जो कि जर्मन नौ मुस्लिम और पीर भाई हैं और उर्दू नहीं जानते, उन्होंने हजरत शहीदुल्लाह फरीदी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह से अंग्रेजी में सवाल किया कि व्हाट प्रॉफिटहुड वाज ऑर्डेन्ड बिफोर आवर नोबल प्रॉफिट, डिड ही फॉलो शरिया ऑफ एनी अदर प्रॉफिट। हजरत शहीदुल्लाह फरीदी रहमतुल्लाह अलैह ने जवाब में फरमाया, नो नॉट ऑफ एनी अदर प्रॉफिट। द रिलीजन ऑफ द अरब्स दे कॉल बनी इस्माइल, दे फॉलोड व्हाट रिमेन्स ऑफ दीन ऑफ हजरत इब्राहिम, was they remembered what they have not forgotten, what they have not destroyed. They followed it. All the good qualities we find in the Arabs, even in the Jahiliyat, these are derived from Deen Ibrahim, and they have Hajj too. They used to perform Hajj, although have introduced ideology into it, but originally it was pure ideology. They themselves say that the ideology was introduced by certain persons. They have given the names of persons in the history who introduced this, and this was monotheistic religion. Hazrat Ibrahim himself built the Kaaba. He used to perform tawaf, visit and stay there for some days. These the ceremonies they have. I'tikaf कहते थे. These real remembrance of Deen Ibrahim have been introduced in the Islam, and those things which were introduced from outside has been discarded. Technically, we find this in Hajj. He used to do sajda to Kaaba and to ideals inside the world which were used in Quran were all correct. Source: the Quran did not introduce new language. All the words which they used in Quran, the current words which existed at that time, and they were understood by people. Otherwise, if these were new, the words have to be explained. Arabs knew what ruku meant, what sajda meant. They know what salat meant. Even salat, of course, but not in the particular design which we have today. Salat just meant prayers of any kind. Just like in English we use, we shall pray. That is why we say salat salam. Salatu salam alayka ya Rasulallah. It does not mean to say this salatu salam. Salate khamsa. Salat means prayer for him. It is used in Quran too, in one of two places for just prayer. So they knew these words. They know salat, they knew sayam, fasting, they knew i'tikaf, which means Solomon retrieve, stand from time on the holy places. They also knows their interpretation. They knew that the person used to do and live in some faraway place on the hill or in a place and retain from the world and amends for his misdeeds. This also known to them. So then the noble prophet, peace be upon him, sent to Ghar Hira himself, told by Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radhiyallahu ta'ala. She said he used to do there the word used in tahanas. He used to do tahanas. Tahanas means tenants. It is just a word. He actually did tahanas. This was the word used for the people who retire either in their house or somewhere else and pray and fasting, the penance for their sins. This word there, it is Arabic word. It is derived from Christianity. New indiction talking about ideology. Quran Sharif में आता है हमासिल अजीम. All they think were new words. These just have been traditions of Ibrahim. Deen Ibrahim, they used to perform sacrifices. There was very much stress on spending for the poor and honoring guests. If anybody comes, if he have goat which give milk, and on that he used to live, even then he would slaughter it and have nothing afterwards, nothing to live on. All things traditions of hospitality were used from stressed hospitality and feeding anybody who is in need. This was the moral proposition. This all belongings to Deen Ibrahim, and they believe in one God. All this was then twisted in the direction of ideology. Even Hajj and these ceremonies of Umrah was also there. For example, performing tawaf in non-Hajj days, even that they need ideal worship. This is the best example for what happened to religions and how they used to depurified and why Prophet have to come again and how previous religion is has purified and also perfected